That was brutal, eh? Yes, and it was all done by AI. But how, why, and what? Well, let me tell you about this new YouTube Shorts trend. I saw a lot of these shorts from human versus animals on my feed. And while they do not have super mega views or subscribers, I think they are onto something and growing rapidly. So yeah, that means this new Shorts trend isn't fully developed yet. And it is the perfect time you hop in and create those shorts before you are too late. So you want to be able to hop on this new trend and reap the benefits in subscribers, views, and money. Well, you are in luck because hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create AI national animal shorts and go viral. So, are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, let's analyze their content in order to be able to recreate a similar one. Okay, that is enough. I know what they are doing. They simply show AI animated human animals, as for example MMA fighter, soldier, and kings. And they do that for each national animal and write the country name accordingly. So let's get started ourselves and let's pick a niche and do a video with national animals with a human body for the bodybuilder niche. So go to Chat-GPT and ask for a national animals by country list. Perfect. For the sake of these video, let's pick these national animals: the bull, moose, lion, and bald eagle. Now next you could consider taking a screenshot of this short, crop it, and go to ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT to give you the exact prompt they used and upload the screenshot. That will help you greatly. But since I use all my ChatGPT 40 credits, I'm going to take a different route. Simply ask, give me an image prompt for a bodybuilder creature with an animal head and a human body. I want to generate it first with a lion head. It should look epic. Okay lol, I did not want it to give me the image, but as you can see the image is nice and we could actually use it. But let's start a new chat and ask the same thing for the bald eagle. Haha, okay, I think we should phrase it differently in order to get the actual image prompt as a text. Here is the better version of the prompt. Give me an image prompt for a bodybuilder creature with an animal head and a human body. And it should wear trousers or underwear at least. I want to generate it first with a bald eagle head. It should look epic, and do not generate the image yourself. Okay, nice. Finally, we've got an actual image prompt. Now copy that prompt and go to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator. Now we simply paste the prompt from Chat-GPT here. And now on the left, make sure that the aspect ratio is vertical, so 9:16. And then press Generate. Just amazing, let's download it. Upon editing this video, I could have better downloaded the third image, to be honest. I like the wings. But okay, now simply ask ChatGPT to give you the image prompt for the next animal, the lion, and then copy that prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI again. That looks amazing. And why not? Let's just download this green lion. It looks cool to me. Now simply do the same process for all the animals you want to include in your video. Now next, it is time to actually bring these images to life. We are going to use Hailuo AI. It is an amazing AI video generator, and you can generate 3 videos for free. And you can get bonus credits if you log in every new day, I believe. But otherwise, just ask your friend if you can sign up with their Google account to get some free credits, if you know what I mean. Now click on this image icon and upload a human-animal image we generated in Leonardo AI. Next, you could consider writing a prompt what you would like to see happening, and you can be very experimental with it, but you could also consider leaving this blank. I'm going to write, a muscular creature, breathing heavily and moving forward. and then press on the generate button. Now yeah, the generation will take some time unless you have a paid plan or you have a brand new account. But yeah, just generate the other images and put them in queue. I am also going to sign out and log in to another account and generate the other images there as well. Now, take a break, touch some grass, help some old lady cross the street and come back. And there they are. Let's watch them. Okay, amazing. Let's download them. Now we are going to open up a new project in CapCut, an amazing free-to-use video editing software. Now add the videos in the timeline. The next step is to enlarge and resize the videos in order to make the watermark, which is in the right corner, disappear. Now we go to Transitions and add the pull-in effect. And to be honest, the pull-in to effect hits even harder. Now go to Text and add a text block. Now on the right, write the country name and change the font. Also add this cool preset. Now add the country flag as an emoji and be sure to make the text appear larger than the flag. Now copy and paste that text block to the other videos and be sure to change the text and flags accordingly. For the first video, I'm going to add this animation to make the video even cooler. Now for the music, we can simply go to the example short and download the MP3 of it. I'm using the 4K video downloaded, but you can obviously use any other free-to-use YouTube MP3 converter. Now you just need to add it to your project and resize it. But let's say you want to use a copyright-free sound. Well, simply find it in the YouTube audio library, and I searched there for a dark hip-hop beat. This piano trap Beethoven sounds cool. Now add it to the project and resize it to match the end to the last video clip. Next up, you could consider adding your watermark, like this. And you could also consider going to Effect and search for a thunder effect and add it like this. Last but not least, we are going to add some filters to give the video more depth and allure. When you are done, simply export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create AI national animal shorts and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.